Hello everyone, in front of me is Apple iPad Pro 11 from 2025, and let me show you how to apply dark theme. So at first open the settings, then find and select display and brightness, and here at the top of the list you've got appearance. Just mark dark, and that's it. As you can see, right after you click, it is applied. Obviously you can set some rules, you can schedule your dark theme, just mark automatic, and here set the particular hours, or just pick from sunset to sunrise, however you prefer. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.